What's up, YouTube? So this is a intro after the fact because I did a horrible job getting any kind of film or anything for that matter, because I was so focused on the car and a little nervous about what it was going to do. But anyways, we took the 64 Mercury Comet, the Super Stock car, to a test and tune, and we were excited. We thought we were ready to go, and the car was ready. And well, I'll go ahead and show you a few clips. We didn't get much, and you'll see why, but I'll go ahead and show you those, and then I'll have an outro that'll also be filmed days after the fact. So let's get to the clips. Alright, so now that you've seen those, you've seen basically the one half of a pass, and it's a terrible video, so I apologize, but the one half of a pass of what we did. Now I will say, you know, I was nervous about a couple things initially, which is why the one half of a pass was cut so short. We could have probably got more out of it for the first one before we had the catastrophic failures of the transmission, which you don't really see that in the video. So there you go, that's what happened. We took it out. The transmission burnouts were fine, never gave us a problem. First pass, we went through first and second gear, and then going into third gear, when I tried to get back into the throttle, it flared like crazy, just like blew right through the torque converter, blew right through it, which I thought was kind of weird. So I don't know if it's the transmission clutches. It's a C4 manual valve body. I don't know if, I guess it's the transmission clutches. Maybe the torque converter has a problem. I don't know. Either way, all that's coming out, and we're going to redo it anyways. But so the first pass we made, like I said, it was like a half pass. The reason being is because the steering, you know, that stuff's from 1964, got some play in it, so I was concerned that maybe at speed it would feel unstable, which that wasn't the case. It was straight as an arrow, so we were good to go. But then we had the transmission issues. So yeah, so with all that being said, we made 1/2 of a pass. We tried to go up again to see if it would do any better, and it just got worse. It got through the burnout, but then flared through first, second, and third gear. Just destroyed. No good. And then when we got back to the trailer, we had no reverse, and it barely moves. It's like even in park or neutral, it feels like it's dragging. So something in the transmission is just destroyed. Haven't taken it apart yet, but we will take it apart, figure it out. I already have another C4 transmission that I've purchased, used. Hopefully it's good. We'll see. Got a good deal from you know, a buddy of a buddy here locally, and it actually has a torque converter. It did come with a nitrous torque converter, which I'm excited to try that, because the torque converter that was in the car wasn't that good, and I do plan on hitting it with some nitrous, so that worked out. But the transmission also has a trans brake, so I think that will help us take the next step, because we were foot braking it. So I'm excited to see what it does. This is the outro video for that video, being filmed days, actually, if I'm being honest, weeks later. But I'm going to go ahead and put all that together, at least so you can see what we kind of did. Get to hear the car running on and off, or I'm running off the trailer anyways, and then running to go to tech. It sounds cool, but yeah, not much race footage because it destroyed itself. So, but we're gonna get it fixed, and we're gonna try again. So we'll see, and we'll let you know. Might film swapping the transmission and go from there. But appreciate you all checking in. We will catch you in the next one.